How to get Wi-Fi password from Android with File Explorer app, root only. File Explorer is another file manager that works similarly like File Explorer. File Explorer is also used to manage mobile storage. Using File Manager, you can edit, modify, and transfer any type of file. As we said earlier, Android stores the saved Wi-Fi file in the root directory, so root permission is required in order to access it. There is no need for any special skill in order to get the password of Wi-Fi on Android. Here's how to get the Wi-Fi password from Android with File Explorer app. Step 1. Open a Google Play Store and download the File Explorer app on your Android device. Step 2. Now, you have to launch the File Explorer and navigate to the root folder. Step 3. One has to go to the Data GT, Miscellaneous GT, and choose Wi-Fi folder. You have to open the WPA_supplicant.conference to view the password. Step 4. Go to Network and find the password under the PSK section. Keep in mind, this is a root-only method. Unlike the previous method where you don't need to root your device. Warning: rooting the device could lead to serious system problems. We never recommend you to root your device. Do it at your own risk.